Namaskar. Welcome to MOHUA'S kitchen.
In this festive season, MOHUA'S kitchen brings you the most interesting recipes to surprise your guests. My first recipe is Navratna Sandesh. For this, I have boiled 1 liter of milk, and when the milk starts boiling, just switch off the gas, stir it to cool down for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then gradually add the vinegar bottle, and then slowly add and stir, and the milk forms curdle. And now I will strain out, and I will add cold water to get rid of the acidic taste from the chena or the cottage cheese. And now squeeze out the excess water from the cottage cheese or the paneer and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and now it is done. In this way, the cottage cheese or the paneer becomes very soft and perfect for sandesh and rasgullas. After smashing the paneer with hand for 2-3 minutes, now I will add 50 grams of mawa or khoya kheer into it and mix it well. I will add sugar according to taste and mix it well together with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour into it and mix it well. I have used a smasher to mix, and now I will add this mixture into a pan and switch on the gas in very slow flame. I'm going to cook this for 2-3 minutes or till the mawa melts well into the paneer. And see, the smooth consistency is here, and I will rest it for about to cool it down for a few minutes. After cooling it down, now I will take a small portion of cottage cheese or paneer into 3 portions, and firstly I will add strawberry essence and red food gel color into it and mix it well. And now I will add the green food color and the lemon essence here or the fresh lime juice here you can use, and mix it well. And now I will add I will take another portion and I will add here ripe mango essence and yellow food color and mix it well. And now I will take the other portion, the half portion which we have kept, into it I'm going to add black cardamom seeds grinded into it and mix it well. And this comes in elaichi flavor. And I have made almost everything now. Now it's time to assemble. So I have dusted a little bit of maida or all-purpose flour into it and roll it properly. I have used here gel food colors. You can use the powder one too, but a very little amount. In my upcoming videos, I will show organic food colors, how you can make it, and organic food colors are safest and very easy to make. Now I have made all lengthwise, see, and now I will take the half portion of paneer, white paneer, which we have added cardamom to it, and press it well, and we will roll it slowly. In very light hand, you just roll it into a plastic sheet. And now it's time to roll the mango first. Just give a roll, and the lemon one goes, and the strawberry at last. Roll it tightly, properly, and when you taste it, it's amazing. Believe me, that is why I told it a Navratna Sandesh or Navratna roll. And it's mouth melting as the chena is so nicely smashed and so good in taste. And see, just do the way I am doing and cut it with a sharp knife. Roll it with a plastic wrapper tightly and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then just cut it with sharp knives and serve your guest. And believe me, your guest will be surprised when they taste it, and it looks amazing. The most tastiest and flavored sandesh you have ever tasted. And now comes the easiest one, coconut barfi. For this, tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee into a pan, and into it I'm going to add 2 cups of grated coconut. Fry it for about 3 minutes and then add sugar according to your taste. I have added here 1 tablespoon and I will add 1.5 tablespoon of milk powder into it. Mix it well and I will add condensed milk. I have added here around about 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. You add according to your taste. Cook it in slow flame till the consistency becomes sticky, and it will take around about 7 to 8 minutes. And now I will add black cardamom seeds powder into it and mix it well. Add little bit of dry fruit crushed into it. Mix it well. And now I will take a plate, and into it I'm going to grease the plate with some ghee or clarified butter and cool it down. And see, I will cool it down and give a shape, square shape I'm trying to give it, so that the barfi comes out good, proper. This will hardly take 10 to 12 minutes to prepare, and I will cut it into barfi sizes and serve. It tastes yummy. Do try it, and garnish with some dry fruits and desiccated coconut. After sweet, serve these mini samosas and impress your guest. For this I have taken 1.5 cups of maida, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of ghee or oil or as required, and mix it well together everything and make a dough. For this we need a tight dough. See the way I am doing, and I am adding ghee in batches and mixing it well. Now with the hands I have to mix it and melt all the ghees together. And see, we need to form, without butter, we need to form this sort of thing. When it holds its shape, that means your dough is ready for samosas, crispy samosas. This is the perfect crispy samosas. And now I will add little water, normal water, and mix it well and make a dough. We need here not the soft one, the hard dough that will make the samosas crispy. And now after kneading it well, I have added here ghee and rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And for the masala, I have taken here 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil, whatever you have, you can add, and add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 2-3 green chilies into it. And into it I have added grinded dry roast dry fruits, and add salt according to taste, and I'm going to add coconut into it. I have added here 1.5 cups of coconut. Mix it well, and we need to fry it, and add coriander leaves into it, and a very good aroma is coming out. And switch off the gas. And now my dough is almost ready. I will take small portion out of the dough, and we will roll it like a puri size. See the way I am doing. My lovely viewers, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. You can now follow me on my Facebook page, Orchid Bakes and MOHUA'S Kitchen, for more recipes. Now, after making the puri, I'll cut into 2 equal halves and take it, and see the way I'm rolling. Everyone knows how to roll samosa, but still I'm going to show you how you just make the samosa style. Just add water on the sides, just overlap the 2 corners, one above the other, and stuff the coconut inside. And firstly, the long portion, add little water into it so that it sticks well. And remember, make sure that it sticks properly, otherwise while you fry it will come out, so we don't want that. And I'm showing you another. And in this Diwali or in Bhai Dooj or in bhaiphonta, do try these recipes to impress your brother and your guests too. And you can store these mini samosas for around about 7 to 8 days. Remember, to make it crispy samosas, you need to make the dough properly. The way I have made the dough, always do it in that time. And see, again the second one comes. In this way I'm going to make all the samosas and fry it. I have added oil and ghee both together for frying, so you do like that. If I can make it easily, I'm sure you can make it more easily than me. And do try these recipes in this festive season and impress your guests and your brother. And please let me know in the comment section, what did you make for this Diwali. I have made all the samosas and now it's time for frying. I have added oil and 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee into it to check whether the oil is perfect for frying. Just take a small amount of dough, and when the bubbles come out around the dough, that means it's perfect for frying. And always fry it in slow flame, because high flame will destroy your samosas, and we don't want the blisters should come out on the sides of the samosas. So fry it in, take time and fry it in slow flame till golden brown, and it's ready. See, hear the sound, it's so crispy. You can store it for 8 to 10 days. Happy Diwali to all of you. Do enjoy and stay safe.